Hey guys, what is up? This is Jaywalking Diva back with another video. But before I get started, I want you guys to please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Ring the notification bell so you guys know when I drop new footage. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, just spread the word. Just trying to get my YouTube channel to grow. A thumbs up goes a long ways, not to mention views and so forth. So for those of you that are subscribed, I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. And for those of you who've been rocking with me from day one, I really appreciate it as well. So without keeping you guys waiting any longer, today's video is just of a couple of recent purchases that I've had. One I actually got from the mall and one I actually got in the mail. Several more purchases I do have on the way, but due to the most recent weather, a lot of shipping delays are going on with those. So hopefully I'll be expecting them soon. But I do not have an actual arrival date yet, but they are purchased and it says that that item is being prepared for shipping. So yeah. All right, so without keeping you guys waiting much longer, let's get into my first purchase. And this one is also, I got mine from Champs, and it did restock on Nike, I believe maybe 2 weeks ago. And it also restocked later that week on Foot Action. And on Foot Action, they're actually still available. So if you guys want to grab it, go ahead and do so. But here is my purchase here. This is the box that it came in. As you guys know, I feel that anything I get in the white box is fire. And as you can see there, my size, women's 8.5, which equals a man's size 7. Content, you have the 23 paper. Oh, sorry about that. You have the 23 paper there. And here are the contents, guys. We have the Perforated Jordan Retro 1 Mid Women's University Gold. Very nice. I really like this. I was hoping I didn't miss out. I actually saw this at the mall, purchased a couple of items, put this one back on the shelf. And I thought about it when I got home. I'm like, you know what? I really like that retro one because I know it's going to be sold out if I don't go get it. So I turned back around and went back and got this. Glad I did. Big fan of black soles, which was a big thumbs up for me with this one. Then you have the infamous wings there in black on top of the gold. And again, the perforations that come here at the ankle, on the heel, and around the toe box there, as you guys can see. And you have your typical retro one perforations there in the toe box for us. And gold, flat black laces. You have your gold Jumpman with air. Love the stitching there. It stands out on that gold with the black. Inside we have, let's see, typical corkboard insert, and inside we have the black sole insole, with the gold Jumpman inside. So yeah, women's Jordan Retro 1 Mid University Gold. And again, like I said, this is still available on Foot Action. I actually have another 8.5 on my cart because I don't know, something about this stitching here around the toe box I'm not too happy with. It just catches my eye as soon as I look at the shoe. But hey, I don't know, it's just a minor detail that I'm not too thrilled about. Yeah, here's the second shoe. Black swoosh, white midsole, again black sole, I'm a big fan of, and black wing, Jordan Retro 1 Mid University Gold. Bam. And my second one, it did release on Nike, Jordan Retro 1 Mid Hyper Royal. And again, this dropped on Nike, I believe maybe a week and a few days ago. It is sold out, unfortunately. The only reason I purchased this shoe was because I did sell my Hyper Royal Retro 1 High, and I did, oh, I can show that to you guys too when we're finished here. But yeah, this is the Jordan Retro 1 Mid Hyper Royal. I'll grab the other shoe I was about to mention here in a second. You have the blue there on the heel area, white midsole, and what am I a fan of, guys? Yes, the black sole. Got your royal blue switch there. Same stitching inside, if you guys can see. It's royal blue as well. It looks a little black, but it is actually royal blue stitching around the swoosh. You got your black infamous wing logo from Jordan brand. On top we have the black Jumpman with air. I mean the black tongue with the royal blue Jumpman and air. On top, royal blue toe box, black toe box lining. Very nice. Blue midsole. I like that. Yeah, so I was able to replace my Royal Retro one that I had actually sold. Got this one. Possibly will hang on to it. So yeah. And my next sneaker is, this is the Jordan Retro 1 Fly Ease. This was another purchase that I did as well. And this one, I really wanted when I saw it. I just thought it was a very cool shoe to look at. I love this strap here with the wings on it. It's Velcro. And I did a little bit more research on the shoe and the purpose behind it. And I kind of felt bad that I bought it because I was like, oh my God, this is for people that are maybe special needs, that don't know how to tie a shoe, or quadriplegic or something of that nature with a disability. And this is why this shoe was created. It does come in the Chicago, I think smoke gray, in this color. And I purchased this one, and I just felt bad about getting it afterwards, but I love the shoe. I thought it was pretty cool. I had no idea of the uniqueness of it, which I praise Jordan brand or Nike on. It's a very, very cool idea. As you can see, again, the ankle here is Velcro. Very nice. And then as you Velcro and flip it upward, as you can see here, it has a zipper on it. And the zipper allows you to loosen this up so you can just slide your foot in. And I thought that was so cool when I researched this shoe. This is such a cool idea. Very nice looking shoe. That's why I had to cop it. But when I learned the history of it, I felt kind of bad because I felt like I took something away from someone who really needs it. However, I just love the silhouette. Didn't purchase it for resale. I do love it in general, just to wear. But you have the Velcro here, so you don't have to worry about lacing. It'll come back over. So yes, this is the Jordan Retro 1 Mid Fly Ease. And it has the royal sole. And just like the Retro 1 Mid, I only purchased this colorway because I did sell mine. And I kind of felt bad after, so now I have two silhouettes, kind of. You have the white toe box and the black toe box on the other one. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. But yes, guys, here it is, the Jordan Retro 1 Fly Ease. And this is sold out again. But I do know, like I said on StockX, I saw a Chicago colorway and the smoke gray. But this one is very, very nice. Tried the shoe on, very comfortable. It's like, how could you even come up with this idea? I mean, this is like so cool. Very nice idea. I'm just speechless. I really love this shoe. And just the meaning behind it alone just makes it even better. And the price, you can't beat the price for the quality of what we have here. Like in hand, this is such a beautiful silhouette. Very nice shoe. Alright guys, so that's it. Again, this is a video of some of my most recent purchases. So we had the University Gold Retro 1, Hyper Royal Retro 1 Mid, and the Jordan Retro 1 Fly Ease. And thank you guys for watching. That is pretty much it. Again, if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so, because I noticed a lot of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. I'm just trying to get my channel to grow. I really appreciate it. A thumbs up makes this channel go really far. Ring the notification bell again so you guys know when I drop new footage. I am Jaywalking Diva. You guys have a great evening. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you.